It's a play bus! But where does it go? Where does it stop? Watch for the sign of the lollipop. Stop! It's the Y-bird stop.
Who's a pretty girl then, eh? Oh, mirror, mirror on the shelf. Who is better than myself? No one? No one. Oh, hello. Mirrors are very handy, aren't they? I mean, how would you be able to brush your hair properly if you didn't have a mirror? Mind you, my feathers could do with a preen, I think. Oh, look. There's Stuart. Hello, Stuart.
Hello. How did you know I'd come in then, why?
I've got eyes in the back of my head, Stuart.
Eyes in the back of her head.
Well, not really, no. I just saw your reflection in the mirror.
Oh, I see, yes. I've got a mirror like this at home, why? Use it to help me shave in the morning. Now, if you turn it round like this, it makes your face look bigger than it really is.
Oh, no, look at that. Oh, look at that. No, it's horrible, it's horrible, it's horrible.
All right, whoa, wait, why, there you are.
Oh, that's better. Never be able to get a beak that size on the bus.
Now, I've got a game you can play with a mirror. I'll see if I can find it.
A game?
Ah, here we are. A mirror and some cards. Now, each of these cards has got a picture of a different animal on it. There's an elephant, a giraffe, and a hairy tarantula spider.
So, how do we play then, Stuart?
Well, first of all, I'm going to shuffle up the cards, mix them up, so nobody will know which order they come out. Right, now, the idea is that you look into the mirror and try and guess which picture I'm showing you.
Excuse me. I can't see a thing from here.
Oh, well, hop up somewhere where you can see why.
Oh, all right then.
Why? Where are you going? You comfortable enough?
Yes, thank you.
Right. Now then, close your eyes. No cheating. Right. See if you can guess which one I'm going to show you first. OK, White, you can open your eyes now.
Ooh. Oh, whatever it is, it's got a big bottom.
It certainly has, White.
Ooh.
Can you guess yet?
And big ears. Oh, it's an elephant.
That's right, the elephant. Well done. Did you guess that one? Right, eyes closed. Try again. Keep your eyes closed, White.
You ready?
Ready for the next one. Eyes open.
Ooh. Oh, it's a two-headed cow.
A two-headed cow.
Oh, I know.
That's
it's a long-necked monster.
A long-necked monster. Right, I think you can guess now.
No, it's a giraffe.
Well done, the giraffe. Right, eyes closed. Last one. How are you doing? You guessing? OK, open your eyes, White. Here we are.
Right. Ooh, it's an egg with legs.
An egg with legs. Keep watching.
Ooh, Stuart! Oh, get away. Oh, it's a horrible hairy spider.
Oh, I don't know why spiders are all right. In fact, this morning when I woke up, there was a big spider in my bath. Mind you, when it saw me, it was so scared it ran away and hid down the plug hole.
Hey, Stuart, I've got a story about a spider on my white egg. It's over here. Come on, have a look. Right, now where's me spider button? There. Now, Sydney is a big black spider. He has a large, hairy body, 8 long, hairy legs, and he lives in the cupboard under the stairs. Now, Sydney looks very, very scary scary enough to frighten the tallest giants and the largest monsters. But the only trouble is, poor Sydney doesn't scare anybody. He tried to scare the children that live in the house, but they just looked at him and laughed. He tried to scare the children's mummy who lives in the house, but she just swept him out into the garden. He tried to scare the children's daddy who lives in the house, but he just washed him down the plug hole. He tried to scare the dog that lives in the house, but he just barked and growled at him. He tried to scare the cat that lives in the house, but she just hissed and spat and chased him back into the cupboard. Poor Sydney was so sad, he just couldn't scare anything. He sat in his cupboard and cried. Night time came and Sydney was still sitting in his cupboard. "I've got a good idea," he said to himself. "I'll go out for a walk round the house. Perhaps I'll be more scary in the dark." Sydney came out of his cupboard and started to walk into the kitchen, into the living room, into the bedrooms. But no one was about. They'd all gone to sleep. "Oh, well, never mind," said Sydney. "I suppose I'll just have to go back to the cupboard to sleep." Just as he was walking back home, he saw a light on in the bathroom. "Hey up," thought Sydney. "Maybe there's someone in here I can scare." And he went in. There was no one in there, except... Sydney turned round quickly, and there, staring at him, was a big black spider. "Ecky thumpy, by heck!" shouted Sydney. "Help! Help!" And he ran out of the bathroom. You see, Sydney had seen himself in the bathroom mirror, but at last he had scared someone. Himself.
Boom, boom, pop. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it.
Hey, what you doing, Stuart?
I'm drawing a picture of Sydney the spider.
Don't be silly, Stuart. There's only half a spider there. He's not going to get very far on 4 legs now, is he?
But this is a very special type of painting, because if I turn it over like that and squodge it...
Squodge it. Right.
Now, with a bit of luck, abracadabra, one complete spider.
Hey, Stuart, that's magic, that is.
Right, I'll try one more thing. You ready? See if you can guess what this is going to be.
Right.
Ta-da.
It's
I
exciting,
think I'll do
this, isn't it?
blue this time. You ready, White?
Right.
One line down there. And another line up there.
Oh, I know. It's going to be a tick, because everyone's got their sums right.
Well, it's a tick so far, but ready? Fold the paper in half and...
Squodge.
Squodge. And with a bit of luck... Ta-da!
Oh, look! It's a W for Waybird.
That's it, a W.
Stuart? Could I have a go, please?
Of course you can. You got anything in mind, why?
Yes, oh, yes.
Right, here's your paper.
Right, well, you'll have to hold it down for me.
I will.
Now, could you pass me some, blue, please?
Blue. OK. Open wide. Oh, there you are. Oh. What's that? Going to be the C?
Wait and see.
Right, is that the lot?
No, I want some of that pink ink, please.
Pink ink. It ain't. It's paint.
Oh.
OK, you got it.
And
Right.
Have some green.
Oh, it's going to be very colourful, whatever it is. I must admit, I haven't got a clue what it's going to be yet.
There.
Oh,
Right, now you can splodge it, Stuart.
ready to splodge, why?
Or
You ready?
squodge, or whatever it is.
Squodge and splodge, I think. Right, there we are. La 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 la, la 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 la, bum bum.
And open up. Abracadabra.
Ta-da!
Look, it's a ragdoll's face.
That's very good, why? Well done. Right, time for one more.
Oh, right.
Green, I think. Green. Round there. Oh, bit more paint. Round there.
Oh, I know. It's going to be a flock of seagulls.
A flock of seagulls. How do you get that? Why? Well, you'll have to wait and see. You ready? Over it goes. Scotch the paint. Bum, bum. Ta-da! There.
Oh, look, it's 33. Well, it's nearly 33. I mean, one of them's the wrong way round. Looks like the reflection in a mirror.
Yes, I see what you mean, why?
Hey, I've got something about mirrors on my Y-Tech. Come and have a look. Now then, which button was it? Hello. That's Orlando. He's flopping the glass down. Now it's got to be scrubbed so it's nice and clean. Now they're spraying on the silver. Looks like a thermometer. Now some copper. Oh, it's beginning to look more like a mirror now. Got to have the back painted. That's an oven, you know. That's where they dry the paint. Comes out ever so hot, so they've got to cool it down. Oh, be careful you don't crack it. 7 years bad luck. Now this machine cuts it into little bits. I am a mirror, look into me. It seems backwards to you, but it's forwards to me. Watch my reflection and you'll see the world go by reflected in me. In the shop where you buy your clothes, there's a tall mirror in which to pose. Will it be spotted or checked or plain or something to wear out in the rain? I am a mirror, look into me. It seems backwards to you, but it's forwards to me. Watch my reflection and you'll see the world go by reflected in me. Now tell me the truth, can mirrors lie? A true reflection as you pass by. I can bend you and stretch you and make you look tall, fatter or thinner or even quite small. I'm a mirror, look into me. It seems backwards to you, but it's forwards to me. Watch my reflection and and you'll see the world go by reflected in me. A face in the mirror, the look in your eye. A mirror can help you straighten up your tie. When driving your car, I can help you to see. Without a mirror now, where would you be? I am a mirror, look into me. It seems backwards to you, but it's forwards to me. Watch my reflection and you'll see the world go by reflected in me. Once again, the world go by reflected in me. Hey, mirrors are everywhere, aren't they? In shops, on cars, even the dentist has got one. How many have you got in your house?
And this has got lots of mirrors inside. It makes some smashing patterns. Have a look.
Hey, what have you got there, Stuart?
Oh, this is a kaleidoscope wine. You have a look through there. Can you see those patterns changing?
Oh, yes. It's
great, isn't it?
Marvellous.
I've got some other things here that you look into or look through. Now, I'm sure you know what this is.
Oh, it's a magnifying glass.
That's right. Now, who do you think might use a magnifying glass?
Ooh, a detective.
That's right, detective. Why of the flying squad?
More like the flapping squad.
I think you might be right, why. Now, look at this. This is very special. This is a telescope. You use this to look at objects that are a long, long way away, and they make them seem very near.
Well, they seem very small to me.
Oh, why? You gave me an awful shock. Look, you're supposed to look through this end. Hang on a minute. There. Can you see anything?
Oh, yes.
What can you see?
I can see the shelves.
Oh. Hang on, let me just focus. There.
Look, there's the sun. Hey, down a bit. Mm-hmm. That's it. Look, there's the clock and some Skittles. Right, stop.
Right.
Left a bit.
Left, coming left.
There's a seesaw and some egg boxes.
Egg boxes. Now, I've got to take those to the playground stop. Well done for spotting those. Anything else?
Right, well, I don't know. Can you zoom in a bit?
Zoom in.
Loads of farm animals.
Well done, why? Those are the other things I've got to take. In fact, I better collect them now. Right. Lots of farm animals. I'll pop them in the egg boxes. Right. I think that's the lot. It's time we were going. Bye. See you next time.
Do you think they suit me? I think I'm going to keep them on in case it's sunny outside. Right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh dear. Oh, I can't see a thing in these. Stuart! Stuart! I can't find me way out. You'll have to help me.
Right, left a bit, why?
Left a bit.
Left.
Oh, right.
Watch the shelves.
Oh.
Dive, dive.
Oh dear. Bye-bye.